Namaste, Hari Om. You are very cautious about fuel of your vehicle because you want that your vehicle should run in proper order, the machinery should work for a longer time and perfectly in order. You should have a good mileage. It's not wrong if you do so. Same way, you should remember one thing also, that we need proper fuel for proper running of our life, for proper maintenance of our health, for proper effect of yogic discipline on your personality. Generally, we are very careful about learning things. We want a good guide. We want to associate ourselves with a high tradition of yogic discipline or a institute of repute to learn yoga and life discipline. But when it comes of food, we are not careful about it. We have different sources through which we get the food. Generally, we know the food what we take through our mouth. We simply feel hungry and we satisfy our hunger with any food that we get, especially fast foods, especially food in hotel, or even when you are at home, you are in hustle and bustle of life and you satisfy your thirst or your hunger with any food that you have. It may bless you with contentment, but for proper effect of different systems, we should have proper fuel, not only through mouth, but through eyes, through nostrils, through ear, through touch even. What we touch and who touches us, it affects our personality. What we hear, it affects our personality because we may be terrified with some particular type of sound. We may be excited with particular type of sound. Same way, what we see, it affects our emotions and our sentiments. This way, it is designed particularly in Bharat Yoga that before any intake, before any touch, before any sound, before any smell, or before using our eyes to see any of the scenes, we should be very choosy. We should be very choosy because everything will affect us. So, we have given a certain series of questions for all yoga seekers in Bharat Yoga tradition. Before any intake, think what to eat or what to take, when to take, in what quantity to take, how to take, where to take, and which is the source of that food. The food may be through our mouth, through our nostril, through our eyes, through our ear, through our touch, but the source should be well defined. This way, our sadhana will lead ourselves to proper and harmonious development of our personality. Proper and deepest effect of yogic systems on your personality. Lord Krishna disciplines us in this way. Yuktahar viharasya, yukta chestasya karmasu, yukta swapnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. If we are alert about our food through all five senses, then yogo bhavati dukkha. Yoga is there as best of our friends, and it is a tool, the best tool to eradicate all sorrows from our lives. Thank you. Hari Om.